Hey everyone, happy Friday! Yay! This is Pile here coming to you from Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. How is everyone doing? How was your week? Are you loving September yet? For those of you who know what the West Coast weather can be like, it's hot, nice summer, ocean breeze, beautiful weather, and then like September the 15th hits. And then it starts pouring rain from the buckets and it doesn't stop until about February or March. So this is our winter, like our winter and fall, it's kind of the same thing. And it's just, sorry, I have messages coming in. It's just a little bit crazy. Hence my hair, like literally I just came from my daughter's Taekwondo lesson. We went there, everything was looking fine outside. And then when she was done, it was literally pouring rain from the buckets. And my awesome hair is all gone. So I like to call this September, mid-September to March on the West Coast, the messy bun season, because that's what my hair is gonna be looking like for the most part. Hey Mary, how are you doing? So I just wanted to hop on here super quick. If you're watching this live, say hello. If you're watching this on replay, put hashtag replay below. I would love to give you a personal shout out. And let's just do a messy bun tutorial. I've had people, I don't know, admire my messy buns in the past, asking how I do them. And not that I'm an expert or anything like that, but they always turn out pretty good. So I thought I'm gonna come and show you guys. It's like the best way to make your hair look like you've done something to it when the rain and the weather has completely ruined it. So what I like to start with, no matter what I do, like this is second day hair right now. I love to use my favorite non-toxic leave-in conditioner just to help. Sorry you guys, that was my husband calling. So I just do this to the ends. That helps kind of re-moisturize the hair and deal with any frizzies or anything like that. I love this particular leave-in conditioner on second day hair because it doesn't leave any buildup or anything. So here we go. Okay, so the next thing you need is just a brush, any sort of a brush. You could also probably work with your fingers if you like it like super messy. But literally work it so that, I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Work it until you have all this happening on top of your head here. There we go. Okay. So if you do this with your fingers, it's gonna look a little bit messier. And you know, even if you use a brush, you can kind of mess it up. You can pull it apart a little bit. But basically what you're gonna need is one of these. Good luck finding one of them in your house. I buy like 20 packs every month, every 2 months. And by the end of the 2 months, they're all gone. So anyway, do this. And so this is where the magic happens. How can I make it so that it's a little bit, oh well, I'll just try to come lower myself. Okay, so make it as high as you want. Some people want it more towards the back. I like it up here, so when people look at me, they see my bun glory. Okay, so you just literally put it around once, and then you twist, and then you do it the second time. I know this seems like, oh, I know how this is done, but no. Okay, so before you move any further, if you want the top or whatever a little bit looser, this is the time to loosen it up. Hey Jaysil, hey Kelsey. So you can kind of mess it up as much as you want. And then you don't pull it through all the way. You sort of leave like, I don't know, ends like 3 inches or whatever, or however long your hair is. You do this and you twist it again, but before you do your final loop, you want to just kind of mess this business up. Isn't my hair so amazing and shiny, you guys, by the way? Oh, I'm loving this hair care line that I've been using exclusively for the past 3 years. Hey, Roxanne. So mess this thing up here after you've done like 2 loops. Mess it up, like do whatever you want to do, and then bring this over again. So this is not what you want, right? So now is the time to start kind of tugging and pulling it. Make sure that you don't pull too hard so that you actually break your hair. It's really hard to do this, by the way, in the phone mirror or phone camera. But so you just want to pull it in all sorts of different directions, and you know, you can even pull some pieces out completely, so you have these little tails hanging. You can go as messy as you want, you guys. But yeah, so this is kind of messy enough in my opinion. So the next thing that you need, I'd say at least 3 bobby pins. Again, good luck finding these at your house. By the way, if you lose bobby pins all the time, I want you to put the word bobby pin down below. I want to know if I'm like the only one. So you take a bobby pin and you want to kind of tuck in some of this business here. So what I usually like to do, I kind of twist this whole thing and like literally you just tuck it in. Look what happens. Okay, this is a little bit too wild here. And so just see where you kind of want to secure things, because if you don't secure it, it's gonna look good only for 5 minutes and then it's gonna fall apart. And one at the back here too. I can't see the back right now, but yeah, you can basically kind of do something like this, and you can tug it and you can readjust it until you kind of love what you see. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with something. Hold on, I'm coming. I forgot to bring my favorite hairspray, because you cannot do this without hairspray. Otherwise, it's gonna look awesome for the time being, and then like 10 minutes later, you look in the mirror and it's gonna... So, you want to use a good hairspray. I love using this non-toxic one that's non-flammable, so I'm not putting like camping fuel on my head. Hey Dominica, thank you. Hey Lisa. So you adjust it any way you want, and even while you're spraying it, you can still readjust it. And like what I love, this hairspray leaves my messy bun still flexible. Like I can touch it and it doesn't feel like it's a helmet on your head, right? Okay, so how's that? Literally, this is my go-to when the weather is crappy like this. You guys know, who live in the coastal areas, that you can do all you want with your hair in the morning, and by the time you get out of the house, you get rained on and you look like a drowned rat. So this is a good way not to look like a drowned rat. So anyway, so here you go. That's just one of the little things that I love doing. And sometimes, you know, you can even dress this up if you have somewhere nicer to be, or going out on a date or dinner or something else. Like you can really dress this up. You can use like little shiny pins, you can put them in there, wear like big blingy earrings, wear a bold lipstick. This one I, by the way, love. This is from my friend Jamie, who works with Perfectly Posh. I just tried this out. Let me see which one it was. I love this one. It's called Vial, and it's like the coolest color. I just love it. Anyway, if you want this, let me know. I'm gonna hook you up with Jamie. But anyway, but you can really dress this up, you know, with a bolder makeup and with bigger earrings, and you can rock this too with any weather out there, right? So Mackenzie, the hairspray, your mom probably knows. I know your mom loves this stuff. This hairspray, the big bottle, I believe it's retail, I want to say it's $59 retail, but I know that your mom is a VIP, so she gets it, I believe, for 40 something. So yeah, I'll message you after this video just to verify. So this is how much I know about prices. But anyway, guys, if you're curious at all about the products that I'm using on my hair that leaves it so amazing and shiny for the past 3 years and counting, let me know. Put the word info below and I'll add you to a group where I do more videos and tutorials like this to kind of save your day. So anyway, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope that your weekend is gonna be amazing. We're literally packing. We have, I think, 4 more nights in this house before we move. So things are getting really real right now. I cannot even believe that we're leaving this house after 10 years, but things are happening and I'm super excited. So here's the hairdo for the next 4 days while we're packing and moving. But thanks so much for tuning in. If you found any value in this, feel free to share it out. Hit that share button on the bottom left, and I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye, you guys.